Good morning, Keller Williams. Josh here again with some quick tech tips for you. Today we're going to be going over the open house pages. We're going to be going over a few smart rules and a few things that are really going to help kick off the process once you have somebody sign in for an open house. A lot of cool things coming in today. Just a couple minutes, let's hop right in. So the first thing, if you didn't already know this, we have this feature inside of your agent websites. So the first thing you want to do to create a open house page is to go to your agent website and then go ahead and search for your listing or click into a listing, whichever you prefer there. It then just shows this detail page about that property. But if we want to convert this to an open house page, we just want to type in /open house. And we get to this lovely page here, which is what you can set up. So you can take this page, set it as a tablet or something along those lines. When people come into your open house, they enter in all their information there, and it's pretty straightforward. So they're going to go and enter that stuff in there, hit the submit button, and then it's going to go ahead and share a QR code with them. That code is going to link them right back to that detail page so they can have all the information on their phone as they are walking through the house. But that fires off a lot of really cool things for us on the command side of things. So what I'm going to do first off is show you 3 different things we need to set up first. The first thing is lead routing. So lead routing is the process of how command ingests contacts, and we can have special handling rules around that. So I'm going to go ahead into my normal command page. And then we are going to click on your picture in the top right corner, go down to settings, and then we'll go to command settings, contacts, and lead management. So I've already created this lead route here, but what you're going to do then is hit create rule. You're going to enter that title. So I want this to be for open house. Open house contacts. Whatever you want to call that is just fine. And then we want to look at the lead source for this. This is very important. You type in open house and you'll see 3 results here. You have to click the open house site. If you don't click this one, it will not work. So let's go ahead and click that. And then we're going to look into auto tags. I went ahead and already created an open house tag for this. So I'm going to tag this open house, and then I want to assign it to a smart plan. If you haven't already, there's a lot of great open house smart plans. I just went ahead and created or used the My Open House follow-up. So what all this means is that we've created this rule. When a lead comes in and the source of that lead is from the website, your agent website on that open house page, it is going to tag it with an open house tag and then add it to the My Open House follow-up smart plan. So now this rule is created, that will have fired off automatically. I already have this one existing, so I can now find that contact as an open house contact, and we can do all sorts of cool things with that. So we have that smart plan there. I'm just going to delete this since I don't want to duplicate those on my end. But that smart plan is there. We've downloaded, the lead route is there. We have the smart plan set up already. Let's go ahead into our contacts page real quick here. And then what we can do here is create something called a smart view, this lovely blue button right in the middle here. If you haven't used it already, it's a way to set up filters or other search criteria so you can navigate back to that specific search with one click as opposed to having to enter in all that information. So what I want to do here is add a filter. We're going to go to tags, and I'm going to set that tag for open house. If I wanted to, I also could change the lead source to open house as well, open house site as well, but I'm just going to do the tag for open house and hit apply. And then boom, we see Michael Smith that was just created inside this here. So now I have this. This will show all my open house contacts. I can create the smart view. Let's just name this new open house leads. And save smart view. So anytime I want to go ahead into that smart view, new open house leads, I can go ahead and click that and it'll pull all those open house contacts. So if I look into Michael Smith's profile right here, we see that he is subscribed to the My Open House follow-up plan, and we can see that there was a task that was created by the My Open House follow-up, and this is just a text task. if I go into my task list here as well, I always see that task popping up there, reminding me to send a text message to Michael. Once again, this is something I hit the checkbox right here, and that can send my open house plan will automatically send that text message out to Michael or whoever you wind up setting that up. So, quick overview. Set up your open house landing page here by using the / open house and the address bar. You then want to make sure that you have your lead source settings properly set up so that it will go ahead and take new contacts that were from the open house site, add the open house tag, and then add them to the My Open House Follow-Up Smart Plan. And then you just want to check your task. Then we have the contacts, the Smart View. So create your Smart View for the new open house. And then once that's all done, we can view our task list and step forward through that text message task or whatever that task is for that. So I hope this is very helpful for you. This can kick off so many really cool smart plans and other automations for this. I mean, essentially, Michael Smith checked in here. I just have to hit a checkbox every once a week, I believe, for him, and then it'll keep them engaged, I believe, for the next month or 2 months with that smart plan already. I don't have to do anything else for it. It's very, very simple. So definitely encourage you to check this out. Please let me know if you have any questions about anything from the open house landing page, the lead source, the smart views, the tasks, the smart plans. Let me know. I'm more than happy to help. Thanks for hanging out. My name is Josh. I hope you have a stellar day.